We have already shot a video on how to draft the suit pattern. We also have another video on the sleeve. Today, we are learning how to add the various adjustments that we would have to do in order to be able to sew our suit. And so let's say we have the back, the side, and the front patterns, and then we have the sleeve. We would learn how to modify the suit itself, then we move to the sleeve. In this very suit, we would want to place the vent on the side and not at the center back. Whether you'd want to do it on the side or the center back, you'd need the same pattern. But because we are fixing the vent on the side seam, we would add some extension at this very portion. This is a kid, and so I'd want to move from the length all the way upwards by about 5 inches. And at this very portion, we are going to add our extension to it. We'll move away from this very mark by 1.5 inches. We'll do same for the side panel. We are done with the back and the side panel. We'll move on to adjust the sleeve as well. For the front, we wouldn't do this. Instead, we'll cut off this very hem allowance that extends at this very part. This is all we'll need for the suit itself. When you look at the sleeve, this very curve indicates the back part and the inner portion indicates the front. And so this is going to be the back for the inner piece and this will be the back for the outer piece. That is where we're going to add our extension for the vent. Just as we did for the suit itself, we're going to move upwards by 4 inches in this instance. Then we also extend it by 1.5. We are repeating same for the outer part of our sleeve. This is also the modification for the sleeve. The next step would be to use this pattern and that of the suit pattern to also cut our fabric. We're cutting exactly the same thing. This is an interface for the fashion fabric itself. It is cut in the same shape as the fabric itself, or the fashion fabric. We have done so for the back, the side panel, and then the front. When it comes to the front, we make sure to transfer the darts and the pocket, that is the breast pocket, onto the interface, as you can see here. For the sleeves too, we have cut the same. This is how we cut the lining. We fold inward the hem allowance. As you see here, this is for the back pattern. Also, we'll flip the vent extension that we did here backwards, like this. Wherever the vent extension reaches, we are going to mark the same thing onto the lining, and then we'll move downwards by half of an inch so that we cut it from here and downwards. We cut this off. And so what we just marked is the vent as we have flipped it backwards. This and that. But then, wherever it gets to at the top here, we would have to move downwards by half of an inch. Then, we cut this off. So this is the back. When it comes to the side panel, it is exactly the same thing, but then the hem allowance has been folded inward and then cut the same thing. Because this fabric is quite soft, that's how come it doesn't really lie on the edges of our pattern paper. With the front, what you are doing is that you also cut the same thing, flipping inward the hem allowance. But then, because of the lapel that you are going to fold backwards, we have also placed another fabric, which is a fashion fabric itself, onto this portion, which will be stitching onto our lining. The next step is to fuse the interface onto the fashion fabrics. And so we have done so for the back, for the side piece, for the front, and for the sleeve. This is just to add to the structure of our suit. We'll go ahead and do the stitching.